Once again, I have come to explain you second part of first chapter, Story of the Past, History. So children, I will explain you some points with the help of some pictures. So let's start. The need to study history. The study of history is very important for us. It helps us in the following ways. Point number 1. To know our past. Most parts of social science, other than history, tell us about the world in the present. But history helps us to understand how the present evolved. It teaches us about the past, which is important to understand the present. History is a systematic study of the past events. Actually, it is a continuous story of an event leading to another. Studying history is the key to know our present. Point number 2. To know about human culture and civilization. With the help of history, we come to know about the art, architecture, literature, customs, religions, etc. of different societies and cultures. Thus, it is helpful in gaining knowledge of the continuous development of human culture and civilization. Point number 3. To lead a better life. History helps us to learn from the past experiences and molds our future in a better way. Through history, we come to know about our ancestors, their struggle for existence, their problems, and their achievements. This helps us a lot in understanding the present day problems and seeking their solution in a better way. It provides comprehensive and chronological analysis of our past. Point number 4. To know about the kings and ordinary people. History enables us to know about the kings and statesmen as well as the ordinary people of different times. It presents before us the social structure of the society in the past. Point number 5. To develop important skills and qualities. The study of history helps us to understand the basic nature of our society. With the help of various examples, it cautions people from social evils like slavery, racialism, casteism, illiteracy, selfishness, etc. It also promotes the spirit of tolerance, coexistence, and universal brotherhood. Point number 6. To know about the evolution of different languages. History enables us to know about the origin and evolution of different languages that we speak today. These languages and scripts help us a lot in understanding our past. Now, one more thing I want to share with you. This is your topic in your chapter. Now, topic is need to compartmentalize history into ancient, medieval, and modern periods. Compartmentalize means divisions or categories. The need to compartmentalize or periodize history into the ancient, medieval, and modern periods is necessary to understand this subject in chronological order. We know that the social, political, economic, cultural, and technological changes did not occur simultaneously all over the world. Therefore, the process of compartmentalization has also been different. For example, The Renaissance period began in Europe from the 14th century AD. From the 14th century AD, the human beings were capable of making their own decisions. They were modern in contrast to medieval human beings. However, at the same time, the Indian subcontinent was experiencing the medieval period. Its main reason was that the changes in institutions, organizations, and cultures, etc., did not take place at the same time. The humanist used the word modern for the period starting from the 15th century onwards in the Western context. How can we determine change of a period? The answer to this question is when there are major changes in different social, political, economic, and cultural institutions that are altogether different from the previous ones, we can say that the period has changed. That is why the periodization is not the same in different societies and countries. In the Western countries, this periodization may be as under up to 5th century AD, the ancient period, 5th to 14th centuries AD, the medieval period, and 15th century onwards, the modern period. However, historians have questioned the above mentioned periodization. On the other hand, in the Indian context, this periodization may be as under up to 7th century AD, the ancient period, 8th to 17th centuries AD, the medieval period, and 18th century onwards, the modern period. So children, this was your chapter. I hope that you could understand. Along with this video, I am sending worksheets and lesson plan and question answers. So you have to do in your classwork notebooks. When school reopens, it will be checked. Thank you. Have a nice day.